Sarah, I think I'm gonna throw up. You can't without you just like.
Ow, my belly
What
hurts.
did you get?
Oh my god.
Just because I hiccup funny.
Oh my god. You're like.
You're waiting for another one, aren't
Yeah.
you? It's not funny. Oh god! I snorted. I just snorted hiccup style. Look at that fat bitch.
That's so mean.
You also I'm gonna throw up.
I just snorted it.
I said, did you hear it?
You're like, I just snorted a hiccup style. You keep burping.
I'm gonna throw up.
What's with you getting hiccups? Like, you've been getting hiccups a lot today.
If my stomach hurt or is like if my acid don't develop my food when it's chopping you down, the hiccups come up.
Hold your breath.
Doesn't help.
You go.
Look, right. This is how it sounds like when I hold my breath. Yeah.
Oh god. Don't you dare throw up.
I heard it. Not funny. Imagine. I wonder if anyone hiccup moan.
What?
Like they hiccup and they moan in the end of it.
That'd be awkward.
They'll be next to the.
Oh, my tummy
They're like
hurts.
this. And the word for like, what the fuck? That's funny. Whatever. I think my hiccup's cute. I can never hiccup in front of my boyfriend ever again. Funny. Once I just like in 7th grade, I just started busting out hiccups, and that's what it sounds like in 7th grade. So everyone just stopped looking. And I tried to say what, and it just come out hiccup style. And everyone just started laughing. My teacher looking at me like, "What the hell?" So she sent me to go get water, and I'm walking in the hallway, going like this, going like that in the hallway. And the teachers are asking me, "Am I alright?" And I'm like, "Yeah." I drink water, I come back, and I'm still hiccuping. And then the teacher sent me back out. Not that funny.